Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're going to talk about the 100 deadliest days of summer. So that's the time from Labor Day to Memorial Day, where there's a huge uptick in car accidents, actually like deadly car accidents. And a lot of those are from inexperienced drivers that are out of school for the summer. They're going on road trips, they're going to visit friends. They're just on the roads more often and they're inexperienced. I did some research. I called like our local authorities and things like that to see if they had any defensive driving courses that we could try to get involved with. And nobody really had any proactive ones that I could find. Everything was reactive. So all the ones that we found were just, oh, you got in an accident or you got tickets on your license and you have to go take this class, get points off, which really doesn't help the problem, because the problem is, you know, these people need experience to be able to handle themselves out on the road. So did a bunch of research and came across this place called PutOnTheB.R.A.K.E.S. Was reading, actually signed up hopefully to be a volunteer there. And we're talking about it, and Kenny and his daughter actually got to go and do this program when she was younger. From what I was reading, it said it was like, you had to be like between 16 and 20 or something, right?
Yes, and a valid driver's license.
Okay. They take you get to drive the cars and stuff, right, through a course?
Yes, they have a whole fleet of cars, and they put the kids in there with an instructor, and they drive around a course. They have like 6 or 7 different situations that they put them in, and they get to do this, and it's like a 4-hour course. They talk to them to begin with, and then they put them in the cars, and they have to go with a parent too, and the parent, they take the parent out, and the parent gets to actually drive the car to see how it reacts, and there's an instructor in the car
you guys
at the same time.
So you switch off? Like, do the kids drive too?
No,
or
put the whole group of adults in the car, and the kids go off with like 3 of them with an instructor in the car.
So you get to do it the course yourself as adults to see the course, and then the kids do it with an instructor or something?
Well, the kids, they have them on a whole separate course, and
Okay.
the parents get to do a different part. It's not as in-depth. They do, I think it was like 3 or 4 different things that we did in the car, like a slalom course, and then we accelerated and then do heavy braking, and then driving with acceleration and avoiding the obstacle.
So it was free, right? You're supposed to pay like a $100 deposit,
So
it sounds like.
$100 deposit. If you want, you can get your deposit back, or you can just donate it to them.
So if you go and you think you got something out of it, you can donate the money and you're good.
You're good. The youngest daughter too, when she gets her license, we're gonna sign her up for the same course.
So that's only in like another few months or so, right? And they go all around the country. So this isn't just like a local. I know they're based out of Concord, I think, but
it seems like a really good course, and the kids are all into it. Hopefully when they are out there driving on their own, that some of the exercises they went through come back to them and keep them from getting in an accident, a serious accident.
Because believe it or not, like, we don't want people to get in accidents. Like, we're here for you if you get in an accident, but we don't want you to get in an accident. So we'd much rather your kids go to like a course like this and not end up at a body shop constantly, or worse than that, get hurt on the road. So if you have any questions or want to learn more about that program, their website's PutOnTheB.R.A.K.E.S.org. And of course, you can always give us a call here at Johnson Auto Body.